Today, I want to teach you how to create a UK TikTok without any VPN, any UK phone number, or even staying in the UK. All you need to do is to follow 3 simple steps and your UK TikTok account will be ready. But first, let me tell you why you need a UK TikTok. 1, you can start earning money if you have a UK TikTok by simply posting your natural content and you make money from it. 2, a UK TikTok will show your content to UK audience. And 3, we want to start using it to promote the books we sell on Amazon. We want to start using it to promote these books to the UK audience. I hope that is clear. Without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. First, you want to go to your App Store or your Play Store to download the TikTok app. I don't need to teach you how to do that. You can do that yourself. Once the app is downloaded to your phone, you just click and open the app. Now, if you already have a TikTok account on your phone before, it will open like this. But if you don't have a TikTok account on your phone before, you have to sign up with your email or your phone number and then start using TikTok. If you don't have a TikTok account on your phone before, I'll tell you what to do. But if you have a TikTok account on your phone before, this is the first thing you need to do. You click on this profile at the bottom. After clicking profile, it will load the TikTok you already have before. You now click on this top here where it writes your name. That's the name on the account. After that, you will now click add account. Once you click add account, you see this part where it says, by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms and conditions, blah, blah, blah. You click that Nigeria and then you change it to the UK. You just write United Kingdom. As you can see, United Kingdom. Once you change that to United Kingdom, you will now click continue with Gmail. Don't put phone number. You click continue with Google. Okay, that Google is Gmail. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you now put the email address you want to use. You see, it says TikTok wants to use google.com to sign you in. You click continue. Now it will load all the emails you have on your phone. You can now select one of the emails you have on that phone, or you use another email that you don't or you've not logged in on that phone. So you click use another account. Then you put the email you want to use. So I'm using this email, legalnairatesting3@gmail.com. You click next. It's telling me to put the password to this email. I've added the password. You just click next. You click continue. Give it a few seconds and your TikTok account will be ready. And this time it is going to be a UK TikTok. But before then, TikTok will tell you to put your date of birth. So let's quickly do that. Then you click next. Now, TikTok is asking for the name you want to use. In our case, this is going to be a branded TikTok, an agency TikTok to be used to promote our books on Amazon. So you want to use a name that depicts the niche you are in. If you are a travel writer, you can use something like Tourist Corner or the Traveler Support or anything related to that. If you are into health and fitness or diet, you can just write fun, healthy cooking or cooking tips arena, something related to that. So let's just look for one that we can use. In this case, it is going to be for health and diet. So I used a username, The Healthy Cooks. I hope that is available though. Once you have a name, you click confirm. Okay, that name is available, and as you can see, the name is The Healthy Cooks, but to my username, it's added 7, The Healthy Cooks 7. All you need to do now is to go to edit profile. It has username The Healthy Cooks 7. You click that. You want to remove the 7. Okay, The Healthy Cooks is not available. That's why it's added 7 for me. So let's look for something else and say The Healthy Cooks Corner, The Healthy Cook Tips. This one is available. Then you save it, confirm. That is going to be our username. So this account has the word The Healthy Cook Tips. It shows that I'm going to be talking about, I'm a cook and I'm going to be talking about healthy cooking, dieting, and foods that you can eat to live a healthy life. Once you have done this, you have successfully opened a UK TikTok account. Now, let me show you how to know that this is a UK TikTok account. We're supposed to add our bio now, but you don't add your bio. After you create the account like this, you just log out and leave it for 48 hours before you start posting anything. Don't post anything yet, or you don't even need to log out. Just don't post anything yet. Okay, now let me show you that this is a UK TikTok account. Don't even add your profile picture yet. Just leave it for 48 hours first. If you click on this 3 hamburger dots at the top and you click TikTok Studio, you will see monetization, you will see subscription, you will see creator rewards program. It is only the US, UK, there are 7 countries that TikTok pays for their content, and UK is part of it, and that's why you are seeing creator rewards program. On the Nigerian TikTok account, you cannot see creator rewards program. Now let me show you another thing to show that this is a UK TikTok. If you click this 3 hamburger dots again and you click balance, you are going to see it in pounds. As you can see, the money is showing in pounds. Now let me go and prove this to you by showing you that in the Nigerian TikTok, you will not see creator rewards program, and you will also not see it in pounds. You will see it in Naira. Let me go to my main TikTok account now. So this my TikTok is a Nigerian TikTok. Let's click the 3 hamburger sign and then we click balance. As you can see, it is showing in Naira. Go back, check TikTok Studio to see if we will see creators reward program. Monetization, there is no creator rewards program there. So this is a Nigerian TikTok and they don't pay Nigerians for their content yet. That is why we are opening a foreign TikTok account. Let's go back to our UK TikTok account. Now, as this account is like this, you don't need to do anything. Don't change the profile picture. Don't change anything. Don't even follow anybody. Don't like anything. Don't do anything on this account. Just leave it for 24 hours first. As you can see, so this is how to create your UK TikTok account. Once you are done, don't do anything on the app. Don't follow anybody. Don't let anybody follow you. Just leave the app like that, because we want the app to be used to that location before we start any activity on it. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram account and link it with this TikTok account, so that whenever you post anything, you can also post on your Instagram and your KDP brand building will be complete. So we're using a UK TikTok because we want to be getting paid with the content we'll be posting on this TikTok. This means that you can also use a Nigerian TikTok, no problem. But we just want to be getting paid while we post things about our niche and book on Amazon. So I said earlier that I'm going to tell you what to do if you don't have a TikTok account before. So after downloading the app, you just need to sign in normally and just follow the same process. That's all you need to do. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.